Yeah.
Okay, so we've got northern lights going on. We've got incredibly cold temperatures, more snow chances this week. It's going to be a busy one.
You said it. Those are the weather headlines.
I'll take it from here.
I want to show you the live camera here. This is from the South Loop looking up towards the north. Look at the ice in Monroe Harbor.
Oh, wow.
Wasn't too long ago. All those boats were out there sunbathing.
I can't wait till we're back to that.
Me either. We got a little while to go.
Yeah.
All right, here's what we're tracking. Another night of below zero wind chills. Matter of fact, wind chills right now are already around 15 below zero. That's how we'll be tonight into tomorrow morning. Actual low temperatures tonight right around zero. No snow tonight other than a flurry possible, but measurable snowfalls in the forecast tomorrow evening and again late in the day on Wednesday. Accumulation of 2 to 4 inches of snowfall in that time frame. And another weather alert to tell you about for Friday. You thought it was cold this morning. Wait till Friday morning. We're talking about wind chills potentially as cold as 40 below zero in some spots on Friday morning. All right, Marie mentioned this. There's a good chance here within the next 30 minutes that we're going to start getting reports of the aurora borealis. This is overall the best chance of seeing the northern lights since November when we had all those great pictures and sightings across the area. One thing we have to contend with as the evening goes on, increased cloud cover. So we're clear right now. You see some high mid-level clouds in Iowa. So I'm thinking this evening now through about 8:30 is going to be the best time frame for us to look to the north and maybe even just above our heads to see the northern lights. And if you remember back in November, a lot of the great pictures were folks using their smartphone. That smartphone camera is going to be able to bring in more light. So use that and send us your photos. We'll share them on the 10 o'clock news. Bundle up though if you're headed out this evening to check it out. We've got single digits right now. Wind chills we mentioned in some places nearing 15 below zero like in Waukegan and McHenry. This morning we had wind chills over parts of the area as cold as 27 below zero. Won't be as bad tonight, but still in the dangerous category. Here's tomorrow morning with a clear sky. We're either side of zero, below zero, Fox River Valley, maybe a degree or 2 or 3 above zero in Chicago. But tomorrow morning, once again, wind chills as cold as 15 below zero. At least we'll have some sun tomorrow morning. Clouds roll in tomorrow afternoon. Highs not as brutal as today, upper teens and low 20s. And then tomorrow evening, we've got snow in the forecast. Little system comes in with scattered snow showers even into the early morning hours on Wednesday with accumulation. And then a secondary round of snow Wednesday evening into Wednesday night with temperatures that will be in the 20s. So round one coming in tomorrow evening, adding up to 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. And then secondary round late Wednesday into early Thursday morning, an additional 1 to 2 inches. Models have really been favoring our friends up here towards the north near the Wisconsin state line. But 2 to 4 inches of snowfall is going to be possible in that period tomorrow evening into early Thursday morning. A few flurries for tonight. Again, we're dodging the clouds as the evening goes on to see the aurora borealis. 1 is our low temperature. Tomorrow, not as bad as today. 19 for the high with sun in the morning. Clouds in the afternoon. The wind chill forecast for tomorrow, really cold in the morning. 12 below in Chicago at 7 a.m. By this time tomorrow, we're looking at wind chills in the single digits, feeling around 8. So a couple opportunities for snow midweek. And then the other big headline is dangerously cold weather as we head towards Thursday and the Friday. This is another piece of the polar vortex rolling in. So Friday morning, we start off at 2 below, but you factor in the wind, it feels like 30 below to 40 below zero with a wind chill. The high now at only 0. There's some models that want to keep us below 0. Friday night down to 6 below. That means Saturday morning we wake up with wind chills once again dangerously cold, as cold as 25 below zero. So we are stuck in the polar vortex for a bit.
We really